Did you know that 71% of the earth is water and only 2.5% is fresh water? 96.5% is contained in the oceans. Over 2 billion people around the world live in water-scarce areas. Water scarcity in the Eastern Caribbean is growing. Salinization, which is the process by which salts accumulate in the soil and hinders the growth of crops, and pollution of watercourses and bodies, and also degradation of water-related ecosystems, these are rising. The OECS Environmental Sustainability Division, through its biodiversity and ecosystems management programs, continues to seek nature-based solutions such as forest restoration to improve the quality of the water in our rivers and reservoirs in the OECS member states. Let us continue working together to preserve our water sources. Let's value water.